This is gonna be one of the elevators at the Outer Banks Beach Club Resort. Outer Banks, North Carolina. What town? Oh yeah. What's the name of this town? Oh yeah. Nags Head. It's a bit dirty. Trying to find where the elevator is. I know they got one here. May need to go past here. So about right here, I'm thinking. Oh. Here. Elevator is right here. It was added on pretty recently. Thankfully, it's in this nice covered area, and it appears to be a Thyssenkrupp. And it's a brand new one too, and it's got, oh yeah. I'm guessing this might be an Endura or a Synergy, I don't know. Installed in 2016. Let's go down to G. Oh, there's ring the bell. All right. Let's go up to 3. It's an Endura. Uh-oh. To get off here. Oh, there's another one there. Oh well. It left. Like the button. One. Here's your certificate, 2016. Here on one. There it goes. That's it.